Good morning, ma'am. Happy New Year.
Good afternoon, Ananya.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Happy New Year. Same to you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Let all the children come together, then I'll wish.
Ma'am, for today's work, which page number do we have to open?
Children, today we are not doing any particular topic. We will discuss in general about all technologies and everything. So no studies related to the some chapter. Okay. So we will share information from each other.
Yes.
I'm taking your attendance. So I'm just closing my camera for some time. At 1 I will open. Okay, beta? Because this is 10 minutes early. Okay.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Adya. Avnija, wear a sweater or jacket. Otherwise, you'll catch cold.
Okay, ma'am.
Artika is traveling somewhere.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, good. Very dedicated child, huh? Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let all the children come. Still, we have 9 students only. So I'll start my class at 1. In between, I'm taking attendance. If you want to switch off your camera, you can switch off your camera for some time, okay? At 1, you open.
Good evening, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Since morning you are doing a class, so that is why you are saying good morning. Let other students come. Still we have 12 students only. So all of them got tired or what?
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Good
not
morning,
much.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Wishing all you a very happy new year.
Happy New Year, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Same to you.
Thank you so much.
Happy New Year, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Children, in the end, I will call the names. Whose name I call, they will leave the meeting. Means I have marked their attendance in my register. Okay. So if I don't call anyone's name, then they will stay and tell me and give me the attendance, because in between those who join late, sometime I don't mark them.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So how was your holidays, children? In between, you can tell me.
Ma'am, amazing.
Ma'am,
they were amazing.
Ma'am,
They were
Excuse me.
very nice.
Excuse me.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, children. Still, we have 17 participants and waiting for a few more. Then I'll start my class. It is 12:57. 3 more minutes. Okay. So yes, please, when I ask you any question, one by one, you just raise your hand. Then I will call the name. That person will share the experience. Otherwise, what happens? We can't listen each other clearly. And now, Abnija, can you share something with me?
Ma'am, not right.
Not right now. Okay. Raise hand, then I can call the name.
Ma'am, Ananya Sonkar.
Ananya.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I
first
was
Ananya.
saying-
First Ananya, wait.
Ma'am, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can hear you very clearly.
Can
Yes,
hear
ma'am.
you, Ananya.
Ma'am, I was saying that the experience was fabulous. Ma'am, I did so many things on my computer, on my laptop, and I tried to use WordPad because I don't know, accidentally MS Word got deleted. So I used WordPad and I started making documents. I knew before also, and then on phone also I tried to use PowerPoint, and I've just tried to become little digital. So I, instead of doing something like of outside thing or just walking, talking, I did digital working. So in digital working, I tried to use different applications and tried to understand the system of my digital devices.
Very good.
Yes,
Very
ma'am,
good.
that was very good.
Can I speak?
Yes, raise hand, then I can call the name.
Thank you.
Yes, Ishan, you speak now.
Ma'am, in holiday homework, ma'am, in holidays, I did morning walk and I played Pokemon Go and I became a pro of that.
Very good. Yes, now anybody else who raise hand?
Ma'am, and I did many evolutions also.
Okay. Yes, Adya Sharma.
Ma'am,
Wait, let
ma'am,
me.
in my holidays,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes.
in my holidays, in the holiday homework, many paragraphs and that came. So I tried to write the paragraphs in Hindi and other languages on the PowerPoint by
Very good.
downloading the apps and try to find the forms of many languages.
Very good. Awesome.
And I also learned many languages.
Okay, Aryavardhan.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in holidays, I tried to edit my videos that I uploaded on my YouTube channel by Wondershare Filmora.
Oh, very good. Very good. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I
Ma'am,
also tried on.
Yes, Abhedya.
Ma'am, in the winter vacation, when I was getting my 20 marks in my academy,
Your
ball
voice
came
is
and
not
hit
coming
my
clearly.
tooth
Okay, now children.
and it broke.
Okay, we will continue. We will continue talking. Before that, you know what is our ritual? We should fold our hands
Observe silence.
and close our eyes for 2 minutes and just please
Observe
all of you
silence.
and observe 2 minutes silence for peace within and outside, and also pray for everyone's well-being. Okay, children, now open your eyes and let's continue our chatting, because and I'm wishing you everyone, all of you, a happy new year 2021. And I pray to my God that I should meet all of you very soon physically in the school. Only I wish this year, new year.
We all.
Okay?
Ma'am,
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, children.
ma'am, I have
Today-
one more thing to tell.
1 minute, wait, I'm just, so in this today we will chat only about new technologies. If you want to share some your knowledge with me, maybe I am also not
Ma'am.
knowing, because in the previous class also few children share few things which I also did not know, so I will love to learn. Yes, who was saying I
Ma'am.
want to share 2 more things?
Ma'am, I have one more thing to tell.
Yes, Ishan.
Ma'am, in my holidays, I did many screenplays of evolution of Pokemons, like evolving my Miss Divas into Miss Magius and evolving my Slowpoke to Slowbro.
And ma'am, I did do Mangas also.
Okay, okay. Anybody else who want to share?
Ma'am,
Yes,
Ma'am,
Arya has done a wonderful job that he has learned video editing. Children, you must also learn video editing. This will help you in your
Yes, ma'am.
presentation, which you are going to make in class 6 and 7
Ma'am,
and 8th
I
even,
was not
personal
just
projects. Yes.
Ma'am, I was not
Ma'am,
just
ma'am,
editing
could I
my
tell?
videos on my system, computer system. I was trying to do it by Filmora Go on my mother's mobile.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I say
Tejas.
something?
Wait,
Ma'am,
just
can I
raise
tell
your hand.
something?
Children, raise your hand first. I give chance to everyone. Yes, Tejas.
Ma'am, I have learned different languages.
Which languages?
Ma'am,
Computer
can't
languages
remember
or Hindi, Sanskrit, French, like this?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
simply-
also learned. I'm also learning.
French.
Okay, Mitisha. Yes, what you learned?
Ma'am, I am learning Korean and German.
Huh? Korean and German. Who is teaching
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Who is teaching you?
Ma'am, I am learning from my app.
App.
Duolingo.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, Duolingo. Ma'am, I'm also learning French.
Okay, very good. Very good. So you are utilizing your time in very good thing.
Yes, ma'am.
It is
Ma'am,
it is said that you must learn at least 3 languages. One, your mother language. Okay. Then second, you must learn English because it is helpful in the whole world. And one third language also of some, whichever you like. So
Ma'am,
yes,
Ma'am,
Alan.
in
Ma'am,
November,
can I tell
ma'am,
something?
in November I had
Yes,
my
Unkar.
ma'am, in November I had my inter-house Sanskrit competition that I won, and after that I had my final round. That was national, and I won that also.
Okay, congratulations. Very good.
And ma'am,
Arya.
I
Ma'am,
hosted.
Aradhya was with me there.
I was the
Ma'am,
host.
Aradhya was me.
Acha, Arya, Aradhya
Yes,
was a
ma'am.
host. Very good.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I
very
was
good.
in that. I participated in the Bhavani Bharati competition. I also participated and won second prize.
Very good.
Ma'am, with me
Congratulations.
only.
Congratulations. Yes,
Thank
Alak,
you,
what
ma'am.
do you want to
Ma'am,
say?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I have also telling something about
that
technology.
Okay.
ma'am, me also.
Ma'am, I have also learned about editing.
Editing. Which editing?
Yes,
Video
ma'am,
editing or
ma'am,
text editing?
yes, ma'am, but Viva video. One and
Using which software?
Viva video.
Viva.
an app for learning languages.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Viva video.
Ma'am,
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 I
can
have
you tell
also
something?
improved
languages.
Please
in my
raise your hand like
technical-
this, then I can see who is speaking. Otherwise, I can't find who is speaking and who is sharing their thoughts. Okay.
Ma'am, I Ananya
Ma'am?
Sonkar.
Ananya, now you stop for some time. Give chance to other children also because I have heard lot of from you. Okay.
Ma'am,
beta,
I
wait.
Ma'am, I have something about technology.
Haan, tell.
Ma'am, technology I have that. Ma'am, there are softwares also of editing video, but I know how to edit video by the gallery app that is already in our phone. So we need
Which
to
app?
use software. Ma'am,
Which
gallery app.
Gallery app.
that. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
That
gallery
is
app.
already there.
Haan.
Yes, ma'am. That is
Ma'am,
already
I also
there.
everyone
learned it
knows
was
little
doing
bit
with the
of-
gallery only.
Little bit of editing, how to write the date or special event
ma'am.
in the phone.
Yes, ma'am.
But there
That
are
video.
dedicated videos, video editing. This thing is also there. So if you learn, that will help you in your different type of presentations or the projects which you do in your class 6 and 7, 8, right? So slowly you will learn. No problems. First you learn to make a good PowerPoint presentation using
Ma'am, I know
clip
that.
art,
Ma'am,
pictures, how to
Ma'am,
remove
ma'am,
background, how
ma'am,
to
I
put
send you
animation.
I send you the Christmas and Happy New Year PowerPoint
Yes,
presentation.
I got. Thank you so
Ma'am,
much.
I also sent you my first presentation of Diwali.
Yes, you sent, and it is very nice, but little
Thank
bit
you, ma'am.
enhancement is
Yes,
needed.
ma'am.
So you will learn
Ma'am.
slowly, slowly.
Ma'am,
And if you have any query, you can ask me at any time after the school, because in a school time means 9 to 2. I am also busy with some of the other class. So after that, you can ask anytime. Now, children, what I want to share, that the book which you are using these days, my KIPS publication book, Logics. So it is based on Windows 10 application, Windows 10. Okay. So now, because I want to tell, you must be knowing also that Windows 10 is now stopped, right? Microsoft has stopped Windows 10. Now you will not get any updates on Windows 10. So slowly, slowly, you tell your parents whenever they get time, if they know how to download Windows 13, 16. I'm not talking about operating system. I'm talking about the application which you are using. So Word, PowerPoint, everything. Now you go to switch over to 13, 16, 19 or Microsoft 365. These are the new version of Microsoft, and they have some special features which will help
Ma'am.
you in many of your work. It's not that Microsoft 10 will not work. It will work, but you will not get now new updates, and
Ma'am,
features
I have
are
Word
also very
2013.
less. Very
Ma'am, I
good.
have
Those who are
Word
using
2013.
16, 13, it's very nice. But those who are using 10 or 7, they must switch over to the newer version. Okay. It's not that today ma'am has tell and not today going to change. Okay. You tell your parents, and if they can download, they can download it, or they can bring it from somewhere, or they can install from someone from the pen drive, whatever. Okay. So
Ma'am,
this
I
is
wanted to
fine.
ask you something.
Yes. Raise hand, then I can understand who is
Ma'am,
speaking.
Ananya Sonkar, I'm
Ha,
speaking.
bolo.
Asking if our laptop or computer supports Windows 7 or 10, we have to change the laptop or computer.
No,
Let's
only,
see.
not operating system. I'm not talking about the operating system. I am talking
They
about
have
the
to download
application, the
the new
Microsoft
version.
Office,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
Microsoft. Yes, you have to change it now.
Ma'am, but it doesn't support. So what we will do, we will just simply
Then you
install
upgrade your computer. Okay. Then you need
Okay, ma'am.
little additional things. Then your computer will be upgraded, right? Because now
Okay, ma'am.
every day you see in your WhatsApp or Google, after 15 days or 10 days or after a month, it says now update your device, update
Yes,
your
ma'am.
WhatsApp, update your Google.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because
Ma'am, yesterday only I have
every
updated my WhatsApp.
time companies make these programs, and if they find any problem or they want to add some new features in it, so you can update by updating your system, then you will get your services very easily, right? And with smooth functioning will happen. Otherwise what will happen, your computer will not, your device will not support, right? So that is why this updation is needed. Yes. Anybody else? Yes, Samveer, yes, speak.
Ma'am, how we can update the graphic card of graphic driver of a computer?
Just if you want to upgrade, then you have to go to shop and then buy a new and then put it, right? Because this is an additional hardware. Graphic software you can update from anywhere, but if your graphic cards that is less, then you can increase it by buying. Okay. Anybody else who want to share something new?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
want to share something
Aradhya.
about.
yes, Mitisha.
Ma'am, I searched some new things on Google. I read an article of MDM in government schools, children get midday meal. After this lockdown, they are not getting their meals.
Very good. Yes, but now they are getting, teachers are supposed to go to their home and provide, but some teachers are not doing that. That is the thing. Because everywhere
Ma'am.
there are not all facilities, because they are interior in the village. So there are so many things. So that is why. But good, you are updating yourself with the news.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can I
Yes.
speak?
Who?
Ma'am, Aradhya.
Radhya, yes, speak better.
Ma'am, I have learned about the new apps that could scan the text written in a paper in just one photograph, and it could just convert into the text.
Very good. You can convert your text into Word. Means if it is a document, then you can change
Yes,
it into the
ma'am.
document.
Ma'am,
If
the
it is
app is
a
text
spreadsheet,
scanner.
then you can
Ma'am, I have
convert it into the
also
spreadsheet.
learned.
Even the newspaper clipping, if you have a newspaper clipping, suppose cutting and you want to scan some news, so you can scan it and then it will work. You can
Ma'am,
edit your
ma'am, I
thing
have
from that.
I have also learned to ma'am to send the by computer to send our Word the Microsoft Word document by WhatsApp.
Okay, very good.
Yes, ma'am, it's easy. Just go to the contacts on the clip and just say what you
And
need.
documents, and we go to Microsoft and then we select the and
Very good. So these are the very small things, but
Ma'am,
enhance your knowledge. If somebody is in trouble or somebody doesn't know how to do, so you can help them very easily. And by telling others also, you are increasing your knowledge, right? Yes, Ivisha?
Ma'am, can I tell?
ma'am, I found an amazing thing on Google. If you type underwater Google, it will all change. The interface of Google will change into something amazing. And if you type gravity Google, then and more of things that are there, ma'am, it's really amazing.
Okay, so everyone must check. Okay, when Avisha found it
Yes,
very interesting,
ma'am.
so everyone can.
What is
Ma'am, I
it,
am
Avisha?
checking
Can
it
you tell
already.
once again?
What? Sorry.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Could Avisha tell it again? I just want to Google it.
Yes, Avisha, please tell.
Yes, you have to type on Google underwater Google, and it will show you something amazing interface of Google.
Yes, I found it.
Okay, very good. Okay, so children, yesterday there was one news in the national prime time. So can you tell me about what it is? Who heard the news yesterday at 9 p.m.? It was about WhatsApp.
Ma'am, I heard. Ma'am, WhatsApp is becoming like TikTok. It is taking your data.
Not TikTok, but
A pixel of TikTok.
yes, they are trying to share your data with other companies, right? So anybody else who heard this news?
Ma'am, but why are they sharing? Why is it so?
Vikne, why are you late, beta?
Some issues, ma'am.
Okay.
Why will WhatsApp do so? Is there any
Yes.
problem with WhatsApp? Any hacking?
Now
Ma'am,
I'm going to
why-
tell what was in the
Why
news.
is it sharing
Now-
data?
Now you are going. Now every WhatsApp user is going to get the message about not agree and agree. There is some message. What is the message? That it says ki I want to share your data with Facebook. Okay, and you know from very long that Facebook is leaking the data with other companies, right? So what is data? Data means it's not that only a chat or something like that. It controls
Ma'am, data
feeds
means, ma'am,
that-
when we install WhatsApp, it asks us that we
It was showing
can we scan your media? And ma'am,
Yes,
media
yes.
means
So they
photos,
take your pictures,
videos,
photos,
text.
videos, and then
etc.
they give your data to the other companies, and these companies do the survey that this person is liking what, who are their friends, who are their what are their likings, where they travel, where they go, or what they love learning.
we do know privacy.
So what they can do, when you open the net next time or internet, Google, they give you the advertisements like that. So you will, if you have an interest in that, suppose I love to travel, so they will show me that now you go to Ooty in only 65 rupees or 55 rupees. So obviously I will click with the curiosity. So this way they will steal our data, and then they try to manipulate our thoughts to that we should buy those things, or we should do what they tell, right? So that is why, many in the lockdown period, you must have heard Prime Minister has closed so many apps of Chinese apps. Because why? Because they were somehow they was using our data to read our mentality, what Indians want. So this way they can increase their business. Okay.
Ma'am,
And our money goes to the other person, other country.
Market.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if we say we don't agree with the message, if the option we click on we don't agree, then it could
Then
we
it
could
will not
save our
take.
data.
Then
Yeah.
it will not
Ma'am, I
take.
want to
Ma'am,
tell
it was-
something.
ma'am, it was showing in mine.
Ma'am,
I
if they only want to share, why are they asking?
Notifications.
Yes, Anmole, wait.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it was showing
like
in mine
Imesha
also.
told that underground water and gravity underwater Google and gravity Google. If we search us on Google, there will be a gauntlet, and if we click on it, it will move on its own, and everything will be disappear.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am, I
searched
want to tell you
the
something.
underwater Google, and ma'am, the fish was swimming there.
Not
and
don't do it in
the Google bar
between
was
the
going
class
down
only.
and up.
Do it later whenever you have a spare time. Okay. Just now you focus and you talk to each other and just ask some, just like you share your information with other children also. Okay. So children, in the last class, I had shared 2 websites name with you. Do you remember which website's name?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first one was www.remove.ob.com.
bg.com. If you want to remove the
bg.com.
background, suppose this background is coming in behind me, this curtain. So if I want to remove this background, so I can take a help of this remove.bg.com. Do you remember, children? If you don't know, why I'm telling, because these are going to help you in your projects. If you want to take some pictures, right? So you can take it very easily from here. If you want to remove the background and all, so you can do it very easily. And one more I had shared.
Ma'am,
Do you remember? Nobody has written in their computer book. That is why. For animated pictures. Anya has asked me that time. Ananya, I told you that name. Do you remember?
Ma'am, actually,
Yes,
I
ma'am,
had
it was-
written in my.
Ma'am, I remember it, but not wholly, because it was www.animated.
No, it was Giphy.com. Now write it. GIPH.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is it www.gphy.com?
Yes, GIPHY.
ma'am, in my all the project videos, I have edited my videos by Filmora.
Very good, very good. Filmora is a very nice video editing software. So,
Ma'am,
and
it
it is
is
easy
free
also.
also.
You can learn
Ma'am,
it
it
very
is
easily.
free.
Ma'am, it
You
is
can-
free
Ma'am, there are
on
two.
phone.
Huh?
Ma'am, there are two.
There are many. It's not only Filmora. There are so
There
many.
is Filmora,
Kind
Filmora
Star,
7,
Filmora, and in short,
Viva
there are
Video.
so many. So you can,
also.
you can use it.
Ma'am, Kind Master.
Kind Master. Yes, these are the video editing softwares. So you
Copy
just
shop.
try to make a
Ma'am,
small.
on phone
Wait.
the simplest app
You
for
can-
editing is
You try to make a small video and then try to edit. Okay. So this way you can learn. Okay. Now
Ma'am, can you tell me the first website?
remove.
That Aradhya's book.
R-I. Sorry,
Yes,
R-E.
ma'am.
Remove.
Yes,
Word you
ma'am,
know how
remove,
to
I
write?
know. Yes, ma'am.
R-E-M-O-V-E. Remove.bg.
Dot.
BG. B for boy,
BG.
G for
B
girl.
for ball, G for girl.
Yes. And now today I'm going to share one more which helps you to give you the pics without background. Okay. So that is Pixabay. P-I-X-A-B-A-Y.
Ma'am, B-A-Y.
Yes, B. B for boy. A for apple.
again.
Y for yard.
Pixabay. Ma'am, Pixabay.
I'll write in the chat, you can see. Pixabay.
Pixabay.com.
So you try these for your presentations, okay? And children, we will discuss animation sometime, transition sometime in the PowerPoint presentation, how to apply all these. Okay, children. Now, listen. I am going to call the names whose name now time is up. So I'm going to call the names. Before that, we will meditate for 2 minutes. And children, whose name I call, they will leave. Okay, means their attendance is with me. Okay, and whose name I not call, so they stay and give their attendance. Okay, after class I will post the names in the class group. Okay, those who have not joined me. Okay, so Snehal, you can leave. So wait, just meditate for 2 minutes, children. Sorry, come on, fold your hands and close your eyes. For 30 seconds you meditate. Meditate for well-being of for everyone. तुम्हारी गर्दन बहुत गंदी है। अरे यार तुम्हारी पैर के नीचे इतना काला है अभी।
Vegana.
Okay, children, open your eyes. Now I'm calling the names. They can leave the class. Okay. Snehal, Lakshita, Alak, Avnija, Anmole. Children, bye. Bye,
ma'am.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Ishan, Anvesha, Artika, Aradhya Jain, Tejas,
Bye, ma'am.
this Sarthak Mishra,
Thank you, ma'am.
Mitisha, Harshal,
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Varchas, Avni, Anvi, sorry, Anvi Raman, Adya Sharma, Aradhya Singh, and then Abhedya, Samveer, Arya Vardhan, Ananya Sonkar,
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
and then Abhigna, Supratya, Vidushi, Ivisha, Ipshita, these many. Whose name I have not taken?
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Atharv Kushwaha.
Ma'am, Atharv Kushwaha.
Okay, okay. Aryan Shrivastava. Aryan.
Ma'am, Atharv Kushwaha.
Yes.
Ma'am, Atharv Kushwaha.
I have taken Atharv. No need to shout. Okay. Vedatman Tandon. Yes. Vedatman
Thank you,
Tandon. I have
ma'am.
taken
Bye,
your
ma'am.
name. I have taken your name. Okay. Now children, leave. Tomorrow we will meet again. Okay.